3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hand is supposed to be here. There's a E N. Hen.
And then?
Check mark again. Check mark again. All the check marks.
And then, what's the last
Cut.
one?
Cut.
Oh, cut.
Cut. Cut. Cut. And a car.
And a car.
I can transform into a car.
And then, what's the last one?
Pen. That's pen.
You're done with the
Lip.
pen.
Lip. Where's pen? Pen. Pen, pen, pen. Oh, I'm done with the lip? Oh, yeah. I'm done with this. Corn?
It's not a corn.
What is it?
It's a...
Nut.
Yes.
Nut.
It belongs to...
Nut.
No. What is that?
This one?
Yes.
Nut.
Nope. You're the one who's writing in there. What is that?
Hen.
Okay.
Nut. Supposed to be here. Nut.
Nope.
Oh.
Nut. I don't know what's next.
I L.
What's next? April.
It's April 13, 2020.
Good job.
I didn't know it's this. 5, 6, 7.
Trace the number
8,
6. Trace the number 6.
10, 11. There we go.
Trace it. Like match it. Like 5 and 6. What's next to 6? What's next to 5?
7. I told you.
What's next to 5?
5 comes from after 6.
Okay.
B. B. Hop like a.
B is for what? B is for.
You have to hop like a frog after saying the name.
What's that? What's the sound of that one?
Time D.
D is for what?
Dinosaur.
You need to draw something and tell me about it. You want to draw a flowers, a ball, a something. Come on.
The W is monster. That's the mouth.
Huh? A what?
That's the thingy.
What did you draw? Hmm?
That's a dead one.
What did you want? Why?
It looks like a zombie with no eye.
A zombie with Why is it like that?
Yeah, with 2 eyes it makes.
Look like a robot. SpongeBob.
SpongeBob Scorpions. Like this and this and this and this.
Is that triangle?
Yes?
Oh, fine. Draw a triangle. What?
That's square. I want to write a square.
Okay, write a square, then rectangle.
It's a long one.
How about oval?
Oval? How do I write oval? That's a circle.
That's a circle. Oval.
This comes from. Let's all match a happy face.
Ay. Sige na. Okay, and then kuan. Oval.
Square. What a happy face. L.
7 2020.
Like this and this and this and this.
Is that triangle?
Yes?
Oh, fine. Draw a triangle. What?
That's square. I want to write a square.
Okay, write a square, then rectangle.
It's a long one.
How about oval?
Oval? How do I write oval? That's a circle.
That's a circle. Oval.
This comes from. Let's all match a happy face.
Ay. Sige na. Okay, and then kuan. Oval.
Square. What a happy face.
Lowercase p.
In small p. That is all.
And
Can you take a picture on your picture? Where?
it's a video. Ay. Uppercase A.
Uppercase A is right here.
And lowercase
No.
a.
What to do?
Lowercase a.
I did it.
No, lowercase a.
I did it.
No, the lower one. The same as N-A.
N A. I could do N.
A. As in lowercase
No,
a.
N. No. N is like this. It's one right. It's one down.
The small a. Lagi.
I cannot do the. Oh, it's already done.
Oh, you forgot the small a. it's because big A and a small a. Don't like that. Remember, you forgot.
Okay, we'll do it.
Small a lowercase a.